Eba jobeti mi akọ Facebook fo fie o. Udru Facebook fie wa o se go. Se me pa mo chawo me hwa in KFM 93.3 yo. Eya like na share. And na YouTube. Also yeah, in K 93.3 FM. Also you go. Eba jo Facebook wa. Udru akwa kunkruma me so me fie o. Udru se wo hwe akwa kunkruma Africas. Ewo Facebook wo hwe me a. Wo se wo hwe akwa kunkruma Africas. Facebook wa me so me o. No I like him no I share. Eba jo se udru TikTok for wa. Wo se wo hwe akwa kunkruma Africas on TikTok. Also yeah search it. Now follow me. Come and be my friend, eh? No, I like him. This one I like him. And then no. Now fat. Just yeah, make us a Grammy. And sometimes it's with your baby. I have fat. I've been young. 3 years soon. Yeah, me ka asem bi kireo na asam no edaboko te se eduro bi a friend edaboko no na mi bai na mi susu ho na me dwen ho na mi bisa se ene kra me kwa me nkoka dai ame abribia ya mi bisa nyame se ewrade se memre so na me betena se o radio so ade asem kra na ya menka on konkro timu on ne menam eya mudi machi o ka kire me se awie memo akasa kra na mi nim asem ameka ba me tere ha ya no de asem bi bre me se menka nkire eno se kwaku learn from yesterday and live for today. Hope for tomorrow. I'm saying, wow, when so and then me be son say, how can I learn from yesterday? And then me say be son say, how can I live for today? And then me be son say, how can I hope for tomorrow? And no sha say or church me move. Bon sama on kokro de me ye adwuma mame sua bibi free enura mu na enne trase na echena nye nidaso ne ahotoso ena wo bibisa se enura ade na mi nsu emfrim me ba jawo ma mimisa enura nti bibia anto enura nti wa hu bibi enura nti wa nti bibi Enra bibi pa bi ama wa akwam. Enra wa hu bibi boni bia. Then you can learn from yesterday. Eba jo se wo sua bibi fi enra mu a. Enne ubetimi atena ase. Because yesterday you made a mistake. But today you need to correct your mistake. Sana brabot here. Enti se enra ena wo send this scam obi. Ena scam boroso a. En wani awasa wani da ho se wo send this scam obi na obekan se ne be ya sika ne moroso. Se enra ena sabi ujimi ya ene eni kwase ujimi. Because enra de na wunim but ene de wahu. Am I talking to somebody? If I somebody can catch us, seven trans be a menu diabra boom komo. Sister, enra na brante ni show wo. Enti someone now can cry and say, akwema mani ate. Because it show me the wa kire me nyansa pa. Ama on send e wiase esitie. Mistake ba. I was so sure be free. So yesterday there was so many mistakes. But then I was so trans na so atias here. And to learn from yesterday. Share bibi. Abrabo aya adisua. Say when sua brabo every day be you made a mistake. About the sound so and now untimi nko wanim. Me na me kan kire. Bisausa adan na brantia no menenete ho odrope me no kofo bi foforo. Eya bisawo eya men kan fa anye fans say me nim ne enti a wo ja me. No. There was bibinti ena me manager wo. Eya men fa anye fans sa keke. Sa me na mi ja no. Adenti na wu ja no. Oh, I be before the Ghana for yen bibi mfi enra mu. Enti time bia enra mistake no enen so ye yo. Eni ukwan say basa. Am I talking to you? Hallelujah. Because I am a pastor. Sister, say enra ubufu ya. Eni ukwan se enne ubufu ayansa obenya hypertension enti unya hu se abufuo ne sha se eba na wa sha se o resist abufuo no enti Bible say na Kristo ka kire ne se free me soko no ribiku no Satan. You need to rebuke your yesterday. Sanya beya enne enton koso. Enno a wo diska kwata business bi mu. But enne wo trase na nanka eni kwan se wo diska ekoshe mu. But what say ya adwen se wo san diska kwa akoshe mu. You see, one kasa na wo ye mistake ade ama ho. Because enra amfa ye di ama eni nkwan se otokoso ye na wo hwe ne ene e wode ma wo mami ene obetimi atrance because you have something small ene obetimi ababrabon because you have something small ene obetimi move on because you have something small. Yenti a obetimi atranse nne efiri se enura ne wo famu nne no enura wahu dada eba ne sa bra ba wo mre ho unim yenti a ye mu bi nom abrabo ye bra ho no because ye nsua de enfiri enura mu enti se ade chen na mami yes obi be say memfa book na life is more than book now with the abobra that is you ubetimi kenkan wa busuam now the abobra because dinti na menra abusia no antimi antumpon dinti na ma endra ni patituru bi antimi ampie wa abusua ni mu dinti na ma endra emrantie ntimi ankosku wa abusua ni mu dinti na ma maba wantimi anwale ewa abusua ni mu no we nyina ya adisua ubetimi asua bibia firim na enne watimi atanase ebane sa you have a hope for tomorrow you are banze wanimu awi asua de enti me mabra ba me bo me na me ye me ma me manmu ka chiri me ye last born emamu me ye last born me ma me ewo mako 9 enti me minkosua de mvia chiri mi sua de firi minua no mo enchanya ena me de bobra ne ko minua we mistake be no ye oh yes okay any menso
93.3
mo wani atepa sister any menso sa mistake no menye now the ko wanim that is life so once you braba you made a mistake learn from yesterday so bibi wate because once you bibi enfi enura mu a enne ontimi mobra no na wunye ni da so chena anunti na ama bebre akafom no anunti na ama bebre ntumi nkom wonim because they don't learn from yesterday so bibi free otena mu anase so bibi free anura mu because enura na lucky dana dia na ma lucky ne baaye learn something from it enura na ye Diana, Diana, but look, buy, learn something from it. And he said, once you be empty and rumor, and ne, untim coanim, and ne, untim and untim mobrano, and no, and not chachram lantibino. Because, ha, see, swap unknown, sir, there was no so, ha. Who ye mistake what? Yes. Obi kurati mi kachira ne ba se me pa famia nko school intime so fa nko school. Who ye kurasini waninte because you don't learn from yesterday. Di nti na ma wo papa fa wanko school. Ya no niska. Ebia na juma nye. Ba se a wo ska wadwuma e kama. So fa ba school. Bra. One can name yourself. We didn't declare Kunkruma. Don't mind me. Abrabon the Abono. Utie me a term be Abe Barbara Bakwe. Or say me papa wale me and sent to me, so me wale me and say. Why, dear Mo. The inti ma papa wale mi ense obisa no say when sia de enfri enura mu Ase me ma me wale ntem enti me so me wale ntem the inti na ma me wale ntem when sia bibi enfri enura mu Ase ni papa ankwa sorry into ono so wankwa sorry The intina papa and quasari. when sie bibi enfri enremu. Learn something from yesterday. Because enra nenye e was say ne eye papa. Na unye ni daso chena. Eno ene bema wa brabo etimi etumpon. We should have na dream within. Learn from yesterday. Live for today. Hope for tomorrow. Because se when shia enra na wan transcend echena unia ni daso bia. Bidin de kwakunkruma. We ye tase no banyansafo. Dwe ho na kachiro ho se. Ye kwakunkruma kan ne ye nokre. Enra mi yesi amwame enti ene menye sabiem. Afrakoma Community Hospital se men kan kire se yade bi akekere oba bi a enra na yade akekere no ene ose fa ne bra. Se wuntimi fa ne nko ene kra tomorrow you have hope because yama woni da so se yade bi ache obi a ekena wo ba bi a wo de ne beko Afrakoma Community Hospital. Yawama Saman Stadium Road in the Gan West Municipality. Say yade bi tete yade bi how. Oh, your doctors for the nurses for they are good to do such kind of things. It is a yade bi how and yan is out on beba. You be show. Ama wato. Your OPD lab, theater, everything. Udru facilities in Ukraine hotel. Yade bi da so be away. Ye adwuma 24/7. Say echo. Na say ebia wo henia eda sebe otahwem. Bra ni enyima na honto because we there yet ni koko your number ni 0597 005963 Afrakoma Community Hospital he yeah juma stay bi wate na Jam Trading Enterprise say memo amane na menka nkyerɛ say kuruma de say opa dance fie papa o mo nchen na wo say oba because you see dan emane ye fe ye tie ne se ye maunde ma odi be si dan no enti se o si dan na se dan ni si wa obi eduru anani je dan no because okoto ne ma no e wo baby papa Afrakoma Jam Trading Enterprise Afrakoma for omo maduro Jam Trading Enterprise ya na ebetimi aboa wo eba just say be our cement and I send that iron rod 16 mm to cutter rod POP plaster bar and I sell pepper wood open paint home charm big size and small size open Marian board a Jam Trading Enterprise you in China what's over corner mode wall engines everything and until you need also meet me a friend 0208 123872 and 0244 566880 ewa kama ni janshe ya ne yayi ene din hwe ne mo yayi ba bia wo bia good evening to you samire wa bia ni wu ha ewa janshe ne so awo tie me yayi sa biem kakra biem sa ne wazia biem no mempe sa biem kakra biem udru wa woton home theater TV bibia bi wo home use there yayi ya number 1 woni Jam Trading ene din hwe ne mo nti se wo hwehwe jama okọ hope oso no wo ho no na wa kire wo straight now no akwakodin sa so Jam Trading Enterprise ye toniema papa abisuafo 2 minutes past 4 me kwa commercial break aba na me ni DJ Fish bo onyum de
ohima mianka mbojuma e wompem na asema yeme wompem pao
menua kawa kuma to woyem amaje herbal clinic esa enyadowa nyina wono esa enyadowa bi te se bema wayemre e wompem bema wontomenwo wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadowa bi te se asekeka wo ba wontomen enwonso amaje behwe na watenete e de amawo
se sei krampo na mefe dware bana so me ho keka me de se zongola chichi e na achimio
dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo bubu eguko anase woni pedue nyina ayem mre udani weni edi kire amaje herbal clinic a wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom edi ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom ama anwedru ubehu amaje herbal clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo any gas filling station no ene di nhweni mu fra won ewo telephone number edi di soyi eso 0244 877 840 anasa 0205 045 655 ko amaje herbal clinic nanya wa yaresa
Ago Adeshimaima. Minkrano boni Frimpong Enterprise. Adwumawura wadi papache intina mani ajesano. Na mini say achim dane ni mpatamade se wupe provisions pa duduo moto a. Agiran kan say na provisions duduo mu nyina ene electrical gadget ni nyina awo Frimpong Enterprise. Adwumawura wadi papache achim dan Mandalina Hotel asewo pe ana Frimpong Enterprise bo say eba bamba me security so dia cameras no 24/7 ejina so unia na me bepie mu aha no na ekọ na eba na ekọ na eba anyumani say ye tea tomatoes say ye fried say ye mo say ye biscuit say ye sunflower say and milk, oh my God, Nelko, Neba, Bibia Wope, sanitary pass, and a padlocks, Bibia Buzuze Tam, our Frimpong Enterprise, a Gumura, when the papache, a dear Bia Wope ato Akogus Tomuno, you want to do so poor, a hucha, a papa, the wonderful, Mamu pe product bitches says sugar, toiletries, milk, drinks, any communion one in the keka home, Akogumu shop there, money problem cry, Frimpong Enterprise drink depono our Mandalina Hotel Abronsano and a Bempa friend our 0244 897 525 and a 0242 111 236 Frimpong Enterprise Ebianum Kobata for our Achimida Edumura yawa Achimida mobile total filling station ho yani GN Bank and I want a dambakum between called stationaries and electronic lane I ben NIB Bank no a hodie soft drink beer open on Sabeka na upe provisions ne ho kwani ba dia ene ye we new branch our Achimida Kwantanim inside the new market building I ben Odan secondary school a kwan so be Odan school Frimpong Enterprise Adwumawura wadi papache
Draw wages many who dance and do man for proper. Make Hunchu capsules. About why I'm a carry new. Hunchu capsules are one more and prostate and Mamma don't so one. And I said, for those also the musician. One of those on the Crema Pibian, lay or one can't hook on the Sogun. The business on the cry to just Simon who went in whom we are and who chew capsules.
Many mama, Yamani who baku ya fichi chromosom. Na me say, Araba Bazen pills ajemepa, and to make conformamo. Sawuka ficha, why is it me rosa, no who made say, a toda beer, modern to be bappy dodo, and now class again at Chessy, a super macra, a modern to be no more for sunny, a toda, or not so no canibashia. When you have fichi chromo how kayina, a wardrobe, and the Araba Bazen pills, Araba Bazen, and a bema why your best man or person. Our down call LB Amuafu, the Netrumacy, Kennedy Draft Store, Green Pharmacy. Doris was asking for Sue, Francis Mesa was asking for Sue, Frank and Daughter Pharmacy were Kuba and Dobin Brakwa, unable to afford Kurumpe for 0504 906665 and 0545 906665.
Asa na de fia e hwampao.
Ha, eya ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA ban and call limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Nyoma bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nanse nkwada nyoma eni ate se wan. Eya parazo no na me de sie.
Medo me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na dia ba de na ahura potobidi isi
eya kasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila hu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Bani snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won sai unhuana. Ai, enu answana me de wo huru nchasi mu nyina da.
Anya we die, me di adanse akyera mansan. Ehe fa no mo wo.
Je ban wo mo nuama no. Ubenya bi ato wo kuma se takra de tamale. Ho, sunya ne nkokọ, wabu ase, bonga, odan, Ghana Commercial Bank, enedi enemuhye. Se wo panido so pomu atua. Ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road, ho ankasa na factory no esie.
Ma me number no, na mfa nkoma ko nyima. No no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643.
Me dofo, na nso amudi ni body say.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja, me dru ho sesi a.
Hey, Efia, me watch papa.
Bra, nansen yade a me yade ye. Enya odunfo bi na kire me kumi herbal tea. Anka sabre adibone.
Ah, ado me na aka ho asem ya na.
Ebia.
Kumi herbal tea de, eboa ema enkwamo woni paduam gyan na so yie. Na senya hoden akutie nyarwa hodo a ewo ni paduam. Eye tea bag, anopa bia oyi ba ko de tun so hie mu a. Minute be se du ekosi dunum entem no. Na wanom. Enwumre nso saa bra wode de awi a wo koda. Enipa do pi ananom kumi herbal tea ni bi. A wodi ho adanse. Oha hodo bi e woni paduam no. Kumi herbal tea ebe afi ho ama. Hyano nso se oba pemfo, obi o makoda nufo, ana akoda woni mfinhia edu de. Edre wontimi enum bi. Ubenya kumi herbal tea ebi ato ewe bia woton nro ahodo. Kumi herbal tea Yesumo Herbal Center ensano adwuma. Dr. Paul Kumi Minta edaso ya no. Obetimi afre no ewo 0248 716402 0248 716402 ana 0503 785656 0503 785656. Kumi herbal tea na eye immune system support. FDA age adwadie nkratoi atum. Yes.
Driver, jina. Na fa me ko obade ensa wom herbal clinic. Na me fa mani ko twamansa ko ka dientia. Obi ade ne yade ko hono mo a. Won fa ne yade ensa mafie bi. Na onya na yaresa.
Wo pani besi na me fa nko. Na so kwadwo ayaresa. Mo yade, wo mo say yade bi a ha obi a wo kwa wo mbesa hwe. Yade bi ti say stroke, hypertension, fibroid, infertility, diabetes, hepatitis, hypertension, sexually transmitted disease, prostate cancer, infertility, and asempo. Udwale na wuti wo ho saa, wuti wo ho gria obo wa kuhu mesra wo. Yade aka wa to dem. Yade bi a ha obi a wodi kopie mo obade ensa wo mu herbal clinic a. Wo mbeti ne te say ye yefunu yade ana wuti pai wo untumi ngo bema ana oba ntumi ngo. Oba wo ne bema da wo untumi nsane wo. Bema wo de boss wa no agemu. Yade be ne ha wo. Wo na se na atatai ana se wa honhono moja broswo ana wuni moja. Wani ase ye fita. Say ye nkrodo yade bi a ha obi a obade ensa wo mu herbal clinic timi say te. Say ye 100 cedis, 120, 150. Ekwesi 200 Ghana cedis. Obema ho adru akwakonom ama watimi anya wapom di amapa. Na say wo koyi folder, wo ko hu doctor. Ye screening ehunu ba bi ayade ne hye. Ni nyina ye free. Bitwika wo krom ha. Obi afomehyen a ne ho adanse enko an odie. Doctor no ya ade wa bene. Kwana kwaje ayalehwe. Obade ensa wo mu herbal clinic ewo achim odan ada a eben masalachi. So mills wonom pe. Number no 0532 333372.
It is Aquabag Vibe, your daily dose of positive energy. You rocking you with all the hits.
Okunkruma Africas.
Oya kanya ko yo bo. Man supplies vibe. Give it to them. For my own.
Famous music. This is how we like it. This is what we know life is. No matter what the time is, let the girls come to Baba. Let the ladies come to Dada. Let the shorties come to Natty. Sexy girls everywhere. Pretty girls everywhere. Sexy girls everywhere. Pretty girls everywhere. Check my lineup. Hot sexy girl, them a wine up. See them put them seductive smile up. I have a tower for them to come climb up. Come on, party get live up. Girl don't wanna hear time up. She dey dance like she want get sign up. Star girl go on and wine up. Hey, I'm the reason why the girl them a come out select a boom sound. As them a step out, party all out. Let the girls come to Papa. Let the ladies come to dance.
pay. Kai hunu se beri me be anyone on pema. Nyame nkwana me pay. Kai hunu se beri me be anyone on pema. Nyame nkwana me pay. Kai hunu se beri me be anyone on pema. Nyame nkwana me pay. Kai hunu se beri me be anyone on pema. I'm the reason why the place is banging. My girls have to see their faces hanging. I can't relate to nothing. All I wanna do is watch girls make it happy. Money and giant to me night. And my back we and so and inside. Anyone tempt to send in time. See them, yeah. Hot girls in a queue, yeah. If they need some freaky loving, let the girls come to Papa. Let the ladies come to Dada. Let the shorties come to Natty. Love the show. Sexy girls everywhere. Pretty girls everywhere. Sexy girls everywhere. Pretty girls everywhere. Let the girls come to Papa. Let the ladies come to Dada. Let the shorties come to Natty. Sexy girls everywhere. Pretty girls everywhere. Sexy girls everywhere. Pretty girls everywhere.
Just all I know. It is what it is. Yeah, man. Let's go. It is an I am a bit here. Madame, your paper when you come on the country. Say any man and shot you. Na mean, second with the Akamuta. One mama, you with the pan, I'm at you with the pan in the Missana, Judy and Kayan Conqua. I so many other pa and some make a car me so hard, Debbie. No, just a watching out. A day, niggy diggy dee, ninja, and we are China day, once for 1 yam and pina. Minimis and yam and Kuan and I'm pimpina into member Yamiaza. Me the minimis cemetery was so when it's yourself, I'm a town Yama who draw. That day, I walk off or be full fraud. Now, what I'm before or shoe when you're I be by young quay.
Minko.
I be by young quay.
Debbie.
I be by walk. And I watch me boss when I'm before.
Miss Minko.
I be by young quay.
Debbie.
I be by young quay.
Miss Minko.
I be by walk. And I watch me boss when I'm before.
Oh, Debbie.
I be by so with it.
Banzua.
I be by so with it.
Banzua.
So you never go where you make us spend my money and so.
Minko.
I be by so with it.
Debbie.
I be by so with it.
Banzua.
So you never go where you make us spend my money and so.
Hey, Banzua.
Yes, you put one sakrani pa agent so she. What on the boage me, I say I come sape. Wa mami ye mashimi or semi dani kote. Semi dino who I grow up, be you make a check. My baby at the say we gonna come in. You want to buy worship and you're ready to check. If you want to meet him, do you imagine a pet? So to buy a one on the DDM. I say, bra, you can love me or hate me. It won't make me. I swear, no go break me. I don't care if you show me or love me. Listen, make what hype me or shine me. Let's go. Steady to just sound like nyano. It is what it is. Yes, I feel crossed down now, but no, yeah, man. I be by your way.
Minko.
I be by your way.
Debbie.
I be by walk. And I watch me boss when I'm before.
Miss Minko.
I be by your way.
Debbie.
I be by your way.
Miss Minko.
I be by walk. And I watch me boss when I'm before.
Oh, Debbie.
I be by so with it.
Banzua.
I be by so with it.
Banzua.
So you never go where you make us spend my money and so.
Minko.
I be by so with it.
Debbie.
I be by so with it.
Banzua.
So you never go where you make us spend my money and so.
Hey, Banzua.
Stay J Mansuro. One day umba huni she. Ya wani.
Mix Master Gazi.
Passing for road now, every other girl for that road must bow. You to find me a jail, I must try to make my name buyer. So anywhere you see Doc and Mikey, tell them say when they make a way. When they
Time, let me take me. The man baby could be sad. Me nigga say me baby. Timen Kasante. Sorry, na me born winning. And then the Jamata so start case. But still I know me rock was the last week. Me na get me for in cabin room. Gladys, Pamela, and Emily. Mumpa even in classes. Show me all your qualities. Ya can never call. I know your probabilities. Even for me, Bianca, moment opportunities that I copy. Put on the family who studied this. No scope of Russia, man, not you in this so hard. Boss, yeah, so they would be be so hard. Time I hang now, get when I want to so. So what Pamela, I'm so my penasona. So get me to my come.
outkick. One more purchase, say we are outkick. Mister, we are outkick. Dance all king, mister, me a outkick. Mister, we are outkick. From skinny see, I mister you outkick. Girl, ride up we go. Girl, ride and make we go. Ride and make we go. Girl, ride and make we go. Girl, ride up we go. Girl, ride and make we go. Ride and make we go. Girl, ride and make we go. Mister, we are outkick. When I'm take shots, say we are outkick. Mister, we are outkick. One more purchase, say we are outkick. Mister, we are outkick. Dance all king, mister, me a outkick. Mister, we are outkick. From skinny see, I mister you outkick. Yeah, man, I look. I say, give me that big bag. You want a man vocal?
That's a Throwback Thursday. 27 minutes past 4. Good evening.
Similar lolo. You pick me, we wanna take photo. Me a see my book, see I say my me on my card.
I'm in chat taxi drivers for you now. What here? Maybe I'm afraid now do a video now to her. Who hear the best drive time in town? I have Kwaba drive. And to baby our name be a Yasia. That's why I shout out for this one. Pam. To all Papa fans. That's what I say. We love you all. Oh yeah, shout out Fana. Just said pam. That's it. If I just tell school for the Omudi holiday. And general teachers for of here. So soon as school for the school of here. And the new grandson, more music, small talk, you know. And right now, Ghana in 60-70 years. Ghana ba abroa, say oyama. Uchims oyoba, ama ba abroa. Sankoye bema, ankoye kwame, anko ba akura. Anka kukura, nitiri washa azie tutu. No amobra. Ama amobra. Man himself still ya da so e won kwasu. Maybe you don't know. Abrafo ne da so e de ya adwen di agoro. Obo da so operate ye wo ha. Yes. We want no mbeka e na ye yo. When I'm catching on.
I no pay be solid 630.
Now sorry say kwa ye dey.
Me no sit tell me na me wo rap turkey. If you let that rhyme baby.
And then I just a rap at you.
Junkie feeling the go me nechi. Me nya mic me left from F me the high grade.
Bad round so man for to amon sabao.
Me no kum me.
What you use 6 months and no boy.
And the meji pay.
Ba ko for dia dia no a tough pa.
Some for pada one me bwa.
Ba next year me produce amon kwankwan was serious.
Still feel me say.
Say.
To the brim.
And so me pribia ko me kru mache. And now ko for dia onim ne me to ho. I'm okay, be was serious, so I didn't scab out. And I'm a boy.
If you want to hear one more flow, say one more flow. I get one more flow.
So good as to our forefathers. So my idea, pa.
Get on your knees and dance some more. Untouchable, yeah. Tell me you the love it and keep on dancing more. Untouchable, yeah. Tell me you the love it.
Because someone now. I know for Riata. And I William so for Riata. And JB Dankwa. Anyone that can count. I'm sorry, I did. Because now Dr. JB Dankwa on any nephew ni wafa sino na ne wafa sini William Sofoliata Obaya there because now one here Ofoliata na William Sofoliata neba and JB Dankwa was also his half brother Maza. I just said, I see. And then the Equia Vanessa. SMP business Diana sorry. Or your deputy minister. What that time be I can? Sesika and yetimi de kura nipa. And deputy finance minister mua. That go Ghana busia say kosu amunse mu ansa na ye krayate. Anambwa. Nyamia. Awurade fa de kransie John Kuma. International Wutemia. Deputy Finance Minister John Kuma is gone. Atwana nanom ewon siado. Ogobo kwaiman kayano. Enche bi on beba. But some 1 week ago, Captain Smart can say this man it is let's say ya poison. Okay, I was sure so yeah. I several.
I think kind of
as well the
best in the beast. Okay.
Oh, but why are they on the Ghana Uncle 67 10 oko? Uncle Pomfane Cran here. That before everything, Kunu Ghana Limited, Salmon Canchelo. Yade Munchum capsules at the Aba. Why won't be that no me pacho copebi now you love it. Because honor and no money now, I do what that says is good. Munchum capsules. The pacho yajatum tea and no. Say be our prostate enlargement. And I say be you be feeling difficult. Ebra Johnson. Mema na sabna making you. And I say be our Johnson now be many more Johnson eba no pay me. No be afra wa tap up or boy ya there. If I trade be ya now feeling sharp pains, I will bear them. So Johnson say ya would delay. If I job more than say we pay hunchum capsules abo. Ebi asabe o Johnson now Johnson no leakages our home. Yeah, one say Bema de o Johnson or say cotton ne good tata. O de na ya nene na munsa ho. Nene na munsa ho we are now doing sapo power tade. Maybe I show here hunchum capsules. Baba dey so be kwa kope bi no atono anom na bebo. Ona no mu nyina di wa dance says good. Sanso na Mr. Kill so hoba. E di alaba bazin tablet so aba. Enya no nko bebere kwa. Ba mo for drugstore. E wa kemo de bi ona na chimasi. E so bi o chine ba Kennedy World Green Pharmacy. Ena Macdako. I don't so chance Francis Mensa. About your sinful so na Mami Doris and so sinful. Open do it to your friend 0545 906 6465 and then 0504 906 65. We are your betting up on that no baby ina di one dance say yeah. Also pay binato nano.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, girl, don't go. Pull I wanna love you, pull I wanna call you. You I don't want you, never got the boy. Some J, I call you so and da so. Love you, Juju. We are tell come a buku. Woman here, Brian, no fufu. Maybe Chuku, your body. No be Juju. We are tell come a buku. Woman here, Brian, no fufu.
Counts 4:45 Aquaba Sports will come. So I tell you, a more fancy quadru kutu. Quadru. That don't go ventures for 7 country, sir, and Ra. It was holiday, and then so count. So I tell you, na anija na wo krom utimi usa man for papo ene na ye fedi agro na time ana mo pie bottle suni na no bia that don ku ventures ase say ama weekends no ana say holidays na e top you go baby abefa bia na ansa wo ho don ku ventures o mo shortun sada the time bia abeko bia bi o open soft drinks or alcoholic beverages ni na bi o ya distributors ema kasa preko mantem ha bia abefa bia omo product bia bi wo ho say bia wholesale na say retail e ba jo betimi abaye ton abofo mu prices near low kra ne duro bia ope bia ya bra e ba jo pe crate ahodo ye no dugu ka mu ma wana Donku Ventures. Sunny Star Prize and near Jubilee Hospital, Boabo Dame Road in this one. Betty me a friend 0555 486990 and then 0556 252668. Donku Ventures. Baby, I'm a hired. I don't think Baba they show the bedding south, so the amount near my pap.
Mami, I won't ever. Monso, my family, what's it, my brother? And come on, come in, I'm in quiet. And come on, jam in, I'm in quiet. And so much of me, what's it, me, Mokumi, yeah, maybe I don't do. I don't do. I don't do. I don't do. Yeah, best I don't do. I don't do. I don't do. I don't do. Ghost. Don't do ghost. I don't do ghost. I don't do ghost. I don't do ghost. I don't do ghost. That's why Zonto goes for you. Can say throwback Thursday, ya kai. Obi mo asanyu mu nyina mo antibi. Ya na go mame ho. Now himself when the movie now on in Nigeria stars no air no so. Corona days. Those days pa. America those days time when I conquer asumo no. Na enena Ranzunowa why interview be ewo baby ena nipa ni bi say so oba Ghana ha when you spec kakra no se share Ghana yans na big pa. I say Ghana girls, in fact they have yans. They are so beautiful, dark, and they have big yans and others. And I can say, new who ye no say hey. Unim say before there about big yans you need edge pa. I say ban say you to talk a pa dia. And you be before ni edge throw to your home pa. By moving the bear tough. Then I'm catching yes, more about Center 7 Cancho said the committee at the about. This tea is good. I be Sabranas and no man and say why guy no. And send the wife a pa and run on them. And run on them. Or no, say ya. And your Freddy Agro. When your tea we are when you're dear. Because so by no man no panny and you marry. Oh, baby, general nine so. If I just say Mr. Immune System now, so you know, nipper the acid, they kumi hebati. Massa. I like it, eh? If I should be brave. The young is obedience, you share 10 minutes per nasa. But as a fatum na bomb. Oba ujina nine and ya my ma monyum sansun on a manufu and quada nufu. Obani ya 10 years and above for my name. M1 about your Dr. Paul Kumino or the other called Drastor Pharmacy Shop Herbal Shop will be all. Bet me a friend 0248 716402 and then 0503 78 5656. For Green Pharmacy and as always Masara Drastor, Chumasi Drastor, Amafo Drastor, Ochiniba Drastor, Kennedy Drastor, Bushimi Pharmacy. Or fire drastor, a mouth for drastor, ever chance, a corner copy bito. Bet me a bopa. Now, when him say, preaching be a coswo kumasi kajetia. And now, baby,
93.3 no size.
na oba ni twam na sofo ne kan say in the name of Jesus na deliverance I take again no and ye jai and ye kajeti a enya agro o twam keke o na sofo ni preachi and na sofo ne kokan say in the name of Jesus pe na deliverance I take praise e wa oba ne so a kire say Merlin spirit ensuo mutumi ada ne ho adi e wo ga animu ene enye fadi agro ka jeti a masa na obai wa boniti agu ne ho nyina efi ni tiri so koka sabe ne to ho na ni tiri wi ni guo na dress ya wa hye no masa na enye fadi agro o twam na sofo ne ka say in the name of Jesus na just say I take a praise one so any confession na hodo enye fadi agro kuma se ka jeti enti Yesu din no to me wo oba ho money da mo ho adi we dey double up all the time with the cat the tune in the food the kind of level what we get it now you go fit to play with my message but no eba Joffrey Point Enterprise say men kan just stay wo gina ne na so krai mo say yeah fadi agro oh my God I'm out for Philip from Point Enterprise yo eba chojo bia wudi bia obetimi akọ say bia open near ma to akwa store mo na say afikura na wo shabra ba se bodwa bi Covering Point Enterprise na kokọ jibi ebetimi aboa pa sense wana Covering Point Enterprise ni na edi adanse say bibia dem ya tiane say ebi ana upetin tomatoes ana say make I say ope biscuit macron ene ne akeka toffee nazi eba nazi bibia ope bia eya Covering Point Enterprise eba choko jibi cosmetic store eya juma ope pomade and I say body splash ni na no kwa sabi juma ka Grand Front Mandarina Hotel kemo dan open there wo this year so there ya the Covering Point electrical shop e dey aba I just say anything about electrical ope bi abra Covering Point electrical shop abra bejibi ntimo amoya light in wadwuma ni na open there ma to Covering Point electrical shop e ba cho ya Liberty Lane ni mo opposite Akona na store na betimi afra 0244897525 and 0242111236 Covering Point Enterprise ejuwe ure ni oh Masa, odi papa na che. Get a one for me now, cause I really wanna go downtown. We can go do big town, cause I make 24. Now, and now say Independent Day na question one of Corona Bako. And 6 months and because a quack or come for one come. So no more trust ya. Omo akombodu ya kurokuramu ya omonso eto omonsa be na ma for say na ha no mo say yes na nanom AD Independent Day. And January nanom edi Independent Day. Monso abeto omonsa ene obehwe akomfo a eto omonsa anchese moti ani nsuo nom eye adwuma. Obi okom bia ye moti a ene nsuo ene homa ni nnua wate ase aha akomfo bia na ewiem atumfo ene asase ase tumi that is motia bebre ewo asase ase ena bibiri nso wo motan mu and they make spiritual thing a kire what ase o me yesunsumu ba about your level 360 pub and then so mujirem enti kwa bla questi eno awana boys yi maza mbodi o eno awo jirem sa enen so mujirem e wo level 360 pub about your one ko hobia eneko because love band ejirem ene ma 100 on bedi kan ba ho no free drinks ya de mamo obi anye wo hwe eno ti bomode na bra bi yenya ye celebrity Independent Day enti bomode na bra ni nyina yen celebrate mom me ba cho your mantra Jubilee Hospital Road ne so a your friend 0540535777 obeba no afre se onso obeba bi abisha for me wa fa se Mawuli moto oh ha 3 points
take it 3 points. She figure say you're fool, I take it 3 points. Imagine the 3 points. 3 points. Yeah, 3 points. She figure say you're fool, I take it 3 points. Imagine the 3 points. Imagine the 3 points.
Abisha we are bobo na soko. Baby abefa bia. Eja ne dele na musie ne nem sa. Ewura ohini mu abeta ne tim. Mauli.
Afa.
Ibi aboko de.
Nyankopon adom krokra mu.
Ye da urade ase.
Amen.
Da urade ase. Da urade ase. Da urade ase.
Asede nyina ne.
Echira na omo hye Africa nyina kanzi na ase no.
Officially ochina na nyame adoma opening ceremony na eba so but games ni be ho de o ma sha ase dada. Table tennis ni so mo sha ase third match.
Oh, na ada no man register me.
Anka be body.
Table tennis me good.
So.
Yes.
And I just me ma link now ko join the team ni bi na.
Ah.
Nti me do be me.
Aye.
Coach Richard.
I want to spazo.
Oh, games no more in the spanka.
Spanka. Na de no man vanga. Say no see a game.
Game pa, but it be a next.
So this guy ko to so na na ye chacha.
So for say.
Ba ultimate to the.
Say be all this car to so na na chacha.
I know now the business.
Sa adi ya me be ukra no. Ye discuss to so and na chacha. Metumi aye untumi nye. Okay, yam for we to so na yam.
Za no so she unkra ma oye ni ye.
Na chacha.
Anyway, Udim said New Life Wood Enterprise for Ethiopia.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes, Omutio. Director and Shutio.
Mr. Hammond.
Mr. Hammond Jonathan. Utio. And Udi for Kwabrefuli. Ono no carpenter ni Prophet Festus Ofori. And a Pastor Sami.
And carpenter for me.
But or Sansu ye carpenter. Or ye Juma Hotepa. A day for me kwa ba become mo wan se mo achiro.
Okay. Antina omodwuma no mo ye na kama sa.
Yes, yes. Say table no ba bo. Say obi epe table. And I say obi epe your friend say
desk. Desk omo pe.
And I say
wardrobe, omo pe shoe rack na say for anything wood.
Omo ye. Mauli kwabra. I will can see Munsha.
Abusia for yemfasida ema Afrakuma Community Hospital. We know Ope Hospital Papa Bako abepi mo oman ganema. Amosa amanfo yare dike. Tutun yare ase ehye yare blues. Ama yare ekwa omonsanso embe ni pedua no biodia. Na hospital friend Afrakuma Community Hospital and American for Ediama enanyimre. Me pacho fi utrinwi ekopem nanase baby bia edodo no me pacho Afrakuma Community Hospital ana omoba betu yare na se Ediama na mom no adia ba kwa Afrakuma for no yen no ye expertum no achuyi ne pacho se we no hydrocele ana se henia echo ana no so etetewa me pacho for ni chirimo Afrakuma Community Hospital surgeons are team abobiu enum adwuma ne so ewukuta experience enso ewo achuye ni mu a ombeyi echo ne diama wa enkofa echire ensunsun so boni bia enso emfa embeja osuntin mpacho eba ne echo nko adia ba bia de wani chire no Afrakuma Community Hospital me pacho ba OPD lab afi theater say yenye operation ana say surgery me pacho ye be enso diama fantastically hote a chire no eno so enkofa asembia mfambro ye nye operation we ne enkanto so kofi enkopija bucket me pacho Afrakuma ente say ye wi a afuni pedua no esanso gina ne na so de se ne nyankopon bo ne pepepe timatu bia enso emba eba ne labor ward nso a ye ma memo apemfo na moje enawo no Afrakuma ena eba bebo mo na afi no mawo asumdwe kwan so afi children's ward any ward sahodo akanyina no ebi ewa Afrakuma Community Hospital me pacho odi wani echiremo ama Saman Stadium Road ewa Gan West Municipality na wetimi allocate yan kama pacho 24/7 fiano pano nsia ekopema de chino nsia jaso ejina na so eye djuma edesom omanfo ntin pacho frɛ na ne mpenfo endin komana so kwhwe onipadua mu na ya rebia wo no yentu asie emfama 0597 0059630 0597005963 enti Afrakuma Community Hospital ana Somasia and seminar me Baberi Samano enso edi asomo na mom no Mr. Daniel Denchi Didi ana abon homodin aye djuma ni nyina enso ediama mi ameba beka edi achro Mr. Joshua Ebono Sanson Joseph Ejiri AJ Ebono na afi the champion man Raymond Ashiatete Mr. Rat enso Ebono BB and I say Ben Maulibo to mention 7 meba beka edi agu odiama yen sembre yen sha siem fanfifi ni enkowi enso ewo amonane enfama dia African Games no already medical catchers in Yankopon Aduma China officially no opening ceremony no enso 8 me abaso ewo Legon we no University of Ghana Sports Stadium one no panon dubaku 11 a.m. na ya dia opening ceremony of the African Games no me pacho and also etimi asha se honoma me din komo na edema kama me pacho wonim se Yankopon Aduma ene 7th March 2024 ne anambe man football no and also 8 me asha se nemum no se so say Ghana Black Settlers for na China Yankopon Aduma ana musubetimi abom first game tie na nyumre no me pacho no numi adia games ni bi enso to from na fe no watwe no the other game no so etimi out of my South Sudan about 5 p.m. yomone Senegal ana airball na fe Nigeria enso any Uganda for no enso edio Mackenzie no ahihye so no watwe Yankopon Aduma ntiwe no games ni nyina eba so Accra Sports Stadium na nyumre a medin common diamond we men's football to form our African Games na se na medimu nkomo enso diamond ampacho we no kopiemu table tennis na oni say we catch us kopiemu a emane mbema mu gina mu esi aka wo table tennis no dima o Ghana no me patch round of 16 no omu nyina etimi firimu omo ntimi am progress am round of 16 hunti adia ene ya waden no adia mba no table tennis draw no enso etimi abambema ne de no enso etimi aba ewo semi finals ni mo na adwani kirechire mu hono ma na kire sesei ana nkomo no eno so etimi ekowie ya odwani kire mu omba ne de na me pacho enanyumre nonum ya games no eba so semi finals ni mu Egypt eno Tunisia ana Asia na afi no Nigeria enso ene South Africa enso etimi share we 4 countries a odwani kire mu table tennis ewo African Games na sia omwatimi erem ewo semi finals ni mu Egypt Tunisia ebo na afi Nigeria ene South Africa enso etumi aboko piemo mbema na femu na table tennis semi finals no say ana parent no eno so etia nyumrei 6:30 p.m. na 2 games no enso etumi asha se Egypt kroya emba no maduru semis no mbema no so omahuri edikan wa semi finals no ma omne Algeria ebebo na afi Tunisia ene Nigeria for no enso etimi ewremu honoma we ene 4 games I no so to form ewo table tennis emba ne mbema ne nyina afem a semi finals on komo medi ediama kama yada so di African Games on komo diama na me pochin remo badminton ndin komo odwani chirimo badminton honum na Ghana ni branch your friend Evans Alphonse Kevin me pacho watimi achiri Equatorial Guinea ni branch your friend Solomon Katie enso etimi abobono e free eye badminton ma Ghana ni branch your friend Evans Alphonse Kevin no a progress here ono so okonanim all badminton mo we men's singles a ekoso badminton mo komo na yedi no after say Evans Alphonse Kevin echi Equatorial Guinea branch friend Solomon Katie ni free mo no Ghana ni branch ba kwon friend Abdul Samad Ahmad ono so etimi chiri Togo ni branch friend Suleiman Abdul Kudus etimi bobo no so edni fima nti badminton Ghana form you know enso etimi qualify all men's singles cinema omo progress komonim kama medin komo no ewo show no so enso edema Ghana Premier League no me patcho match day 20 Yankopon Aduma weekend se ben no yetimi atwa games no so na say ana fixtures ahodo no eno so ebetimi akọ Saturday Yankopon Aduma games ne be sha se Kerala United omone Asante Kotoko ana ebo afodu ani chirimo no so Accra Lions for no omne Brekum Chelsea ebebo Hearts of Oak omne bofo akwata no ewo game afi Sunday Yankopon Aduma games ne to aso sa Bechem United omne FC Samate sebebo enso atriman enso any Dreams FC ebo Aduana Stars omne Legon Cities bebo na fe no Bibiani Gold Stars omatonsa edia frɛ Accra Great Olympics na sa game no enso atimi abaso kwanto Hearts of Lions omotonsa da frɛ Real Tamale United RTU no na sa game no enso atimi abaso Monday ajoda Otwedian Ponya Aduma Nations FC enso etina Dr. Kwame J Sports Complex no matonsa edia frɛ Mediema Sporting Club no Mackenzie no enso etimi abaso hon ma we no Ghana Premier League no match day 20 mon komo na Mediema na back to African Games 19 komo onim se makatro se na nwumre no ana bema na football na ehya se na ne etie ne se bema na dia na Ghana Black Satellite under 24 no omugina kono echene nyankopon adoma na we no ne atia ne se team captain papa ye friend Kufuor Asamoah wakasa kakra we defender and afi captain edema the Black Satellite of Ghana osio no owo gidie se eye tournament a ekoso African Games na se mbema na football no Ghana team from Black Satellite no almost betimi akokodin age trophy no e de asio musere so e wo oman Ghana mhanum si a we no eye Asamoah Kufuor captain Edma Ghana under 20 mbema ni team no ana Edison Sam we abetu Jamedi mun komo no enso demo ahye no so se oni ni coacha your friend Desmond Ofe enen anope 11 am no omko hia nsem trofo press no enso etimi ko se china no pass age tenasia update eno so every press na se ba nyina no obetimi di mun komo no nyina so abro papam a medin komo no enso demo na papa friend Kufuor Asamoah captain ka se ombetimi age trophy ni de asiom sere so no ana ni head coach papa friend Desmond Ofe ono so kasaka cross pressure bia enso enda team ne so omo so betimi e de no ma na si wo hono ma o si ombeko kodin enso de akomani na senior ne captain Kufuor Asamoah kano Black Satellite of Ghana enso etimi akokodin age tournament no trophy no e de esi omo sere so we ene nkomo kakra eno so every Black Satellite of Ghana for the camp e ba medin komo no enso e de mo wodo ani chiremo Real Tamale United RTU camper reporter mensa kan na nyumre and he said team no nyankopon ya duma over the weekend say be no me pacho omo kokpando omne kpando Heart of Lions Sunday match day 20 no omo kwa kobo e Ghana Premier League ni mo na reporter ban so do ni chiremo mo training grounds a me pacho RTU players no omo nyina nso ate atua say training pan de enya de omo so betime ahead of omo gamer eno so e ba so Sunday ni nyina no so omo say omo wages na che so market o so omo nsaka no enya de RTU team no enso etimi etuom cafe bonuses ahoto bia o say team ne so hwe na omutuoma players no RTU mpenifo enso atwemani a se de sikasem ho ayedin de amam ye papa eno na enam so players no enso etimi boycott training na mate atua enso say nya de omo be ko training na medin komo de ma na imprempren players ate atuom RTU no odu ani chiremo Ghana Premier League standings and asa hye prono so a RTU any team a ono no ware kwata 18th position ana RTU eda omoto so 18 ekra 18 points me pa chomo hye 18 goals ana ya hye 32 goals e de atu omuntu hwe difference na RTU for no the goals difference e ka minus of 14 into goal ka 14 ana RTU for ne dia omati atua se omo so omuntimi encontro ni players ne ti atua no omo head coach Professor Abdul Mumin ono so de ne sem kakra bambonten so chirema beye ekeka ko afe bakunie enya de ono coach friend Abdul Mumin no Real Tamale United RTU team no enso atimi atua ne ka into wa yadwuma almost 1 year nie aketua de aketua ne nsa enso entimi kan bia we ayare sema every RTU camp enso ba medin komono enso de coach ni ka sare no so we de osre se RTU mpenifo no enso betimi abom homodin na afi no omahwe atoto enoma kama sane ebeboa afi omo so sikasem ahokyera bom so no team no enso betimi every man medin komono e wo show no so edema na ye kwanim ne edin komo enso edema ne atia ne se odwani chiremu enso wo 2023-2024 Women's Division 1 League ekoswo Eastern Region mu a me pacho dia match day 1 over the weekend see timi body free ho no me pacho 8 teams say bono say ana result e kopie mu no enso epaye we Gathering Ladies me pacho mo share kana bako ama Play Maidens enso share kana bako Root Sisters eshen wotwe ama Unique FC omo ntimi ensi ekanum Adabraka Kotoku Rush Ladies omo share bako Valued Girls entumi anti ekano ne atia ne se Iron Ladies omni Obrima Football Academy for no Obrima for no entumi amba enti game no me pacho adia points na akwodiama Iron Ladies for na sa anan komono eno so akwakowewe nti so do ani hwefefefefe mu a na che se Root Sisters for no after match day 1 ewo Eastern Region and Band Division 1 nim no omna omahuredi kan mu kra 3 points plus 8 goals honom na fe Kotoku Rush Ladies emba no omonso omukra 3 points a omukra plus of 1 goal enso honoma medin komono ediama yenkwenim ne ndin komo kakra wo monane enfama na memfa dwumade ni nyina enso embrewe onim se na nwumre udo ani kiremo Europa League ni ma ne atie ne se AS Roma for no omotena Rome Italy na afi omatonsa edafer Brighton and Hove Albion omo free England e mine mu na ne atie ne se Brighton and Hove Albion omo supporters di team na chi ekopiem Rome no araho sema eba enanwumre ni se udo ani kiremo no manase kire se two Brighton fans enti supporters Omidi Brighton team na chi ko Italy Rome no me pacho emu mienu amanfo bi enso anase we no nipa bone for omde mask ahye omani enso akwoti esiomso e de knife awo emu mienu wo hono ma we no eye arehosem a efri sa game a enya nhase na ase apa medimu nkomo no enso e de ma e wo show no so ne atia ne se odu ani chiremo Benfica omo midfielder bi your friend João Neves 19 years na boy no we di Portugal man no ana ofi report ametin say Sir Jim Ratcliffe on the Manchester United team no omo kika motia bom say 103 million pounds omre kwa kofa 19-year-old João Neves e de free Benfica samanimo enso aba Old Trafford ababie adwuma na ametin say okodu ani pemo tiada Man City for no enso atiasimu so omonso enya boy na omonso ombetimi agena na afi no ababie adwuma no enso e de mama medin komo no enso edema Kylian Mbappe opene no reporter ban say we no was sign 5 years contract enso dema Real Madrid na emom no ase no kra sanya no kra ni ameti ni say Kylian Mbappe akasa ono no e ya dia ne manager friend Luis Enrique no ono ni asembia emfa ho say ono Kylian Mbappe say summer transfer window ni bia ono so every PSG team ni ma PSG one person akra omunya won ho no oni team for no obia eni asembia ono so ni trimo fine ana odi AC akande ma PSG boboku na papa friend Kylian Mbappe enso de sankomo no enso dia bayanke ni minen komo kakra na menfansi obekia game ba kokoso e wala le ganimo na we no eye team aye from Getafe omni Real Madrid na e Jude Bellingham reporter ban so no so kwake kan sebe ensemhu ensemfon e de kira brantia your friend Mason Greenwood ene empenfo ye nhwehwemu awie the verdict snapper si videos ahodom nya hwe no bibia endi adanse se boy na friend Jude Bellingham no ono so etimi edidi Mason Greenwood atem enti Spanish FA say boy na friend Jude Bellingham no ono so onfan ho enkofie na onkodi ne ho free a medin komono enso edemo on that note no mejina na afi ensema ye boaboa no amono nsem ene afisem ye de besomo ewo Akwaba Sports ne so no yedni nyina enso aberie na wofa Kwekunkum Africa's Reverend enso etimi atoso na me kono wofa.
Yes sir.
Mami ntia me district pastor.
Okay.
Pastor Eric Kojo Dakon.
Okay.
Obeke obeye program bi wase na uboni dimpa me district pastor no one me papa Elder George Butu.
Okay.
Ene ne yire Esther Butu anafi no me loka me wom no ye president Elder Raymond Nyante Chenyumrei omo nyina amenya ntia se omo monitor show no from Afanti penfo we nyina no of Amikasi Nyankopon insurum no nyam.
Amen.
I'm out of here.
Ye beza shia biem abishia for me ko commercial break abasisi a me won fa si mawuli moto zane papa bofu obufu gra ja bende ko commercial break aba.
Se wa fa mukro na yaru be du muntum kura. Yesu bebrebe ya besi mu yi ana.
Bra kwesi me kunu pnia na epne se me fa ni nkoni krom ho. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava One Herbal Capsules ene ne mixture. Ebubu yare gu for me monte. Ene mde ade asiemu. Se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava One Herbal Capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na ne mixture me kira Ava One Herbal mixture study. Malaria suro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awona de o. Ompo mu ayemre. Bobi omodoso nya na drugstores any herbal shops. Your number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne banufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumienu. Wo ye malaria test. Na say positive a. We dura ne Ava One Herbal mixture. Wa akimodan open dodo etu a. Wo be hu omo pepiasa mpedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Wo benya bi so ato Amwafo drugstore, Kenop Pharmacy, Ochiniba drugstore, Akim State so, Bosome Pharmacy, and Achime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava One Herbal Capsules nene mixture. Peking crime. FDA aji ejwedi enkratu yatu.
For a passe, we air hostess, flight attendants, our Ghana airport, or passe, obey Jumas clearing agent, forwarding agent, our Tama Abo, and answer Takra de Habana, or passe, we are Juma as tour guide, our Kakum National Park, Elmina Casa, na Kwame Kuma Museum, or passe, we are hotel manager, NASA receptionist, a housekeeper, our hotel, or passe, we journalism, newscasting, and a news reporting.
ɛne biaye baako pɛ ɛna meka for ama wo. Global School of Aviation Management. Global School of Aviation Management ɛyɛ school bi a yɛtete nkurɔfoɔ ɛwɔ aviation courses mu. Ebi te sɛ hospitality management, tourism and culture management, airfare ticketing and reservation, passenger handling, maritime management, shipping, port operations management, media and communication, cargo handling. Courses we nyina obetimi the 6 months aye na wenya wo certificate. Certificates no awarded by ICM UK. Requirements here obetimi the abaye school mu SHS awaited results and answer 1C diploma HND O and A level degree be obetimi the aba. It sounds so Global Remedial College ye courses are SHS ni nyina general arts, home economics, business, general science, agric science, visual arts. Ye special vacation classes for SHS students. Ye acquire any rubber. Ye Kentin Chrono ebe KNUST. And as a reflection so a more comment to course your hostel available neboye fupa. Global School of Aviation Management. Or pay acquire frail and home true for so 05958471184. Mrs. Subim 05958471184. Ana 0245052166. Ana 0245052166. Ana say 05533416679. Mrs. Subim 05533416679. Global School of Aviation Management, the only life-changing institution.
Oh no. Know that need your help. No one else.
Hey, I said you're ready. Yeah, Shemu Kenapa. Kwakwesi Edu Herbal Center. Yay, and I had the GD Herbal Mr. Ediaba. Ye di Nubra, and Hamani Biafra. It is a cocoa, diabetes, prostrate, malaria, fever, typhoid, and I say within the pie wall, loss of appetite, stroke, sciatica, body pains, and I say per se, immune system no Gina Sodia, a GD Herbal Mixture, and I was so no. Since I had Bruno, a too sure. One room GD Herbal Mixture, the Vino. Afedia, oh, Yam Kunim dear Herbal Mixture, stomach ulcer, BP, menstrual pains, and I say menstrual disorder. Nanya, a Yam Kunim dear Herbal Mixture, and I was so no. A Dre, Oko Drastobia, a Biwaho, Open Duduatua, a Yafre number 0545 595070, and I say 0247 037564. FDA Ajia Tumuse
Minia, o de o tie me dase abrawa no ama okraso enye promotion bia ni promotion papa no na aba no Festus Enterprise promotion decoder ben na ope quality decoders strong combo DXTV with 1 month free subscription na ewie yase akoboma free start time decoders and also ne bema 1 month free subscription just decoders ahohoro bia na ope no Festus Enterprise wontimi nsane ho na eba no television sa TCL Android satellite and terrestrial televisions are Papa B, Samsung, LG, Hisense, Nasco, and in the Kikamu Bebre. Yes, I ebema CCTV cameras. Any air conditions are installation here free. Air condition brackets. Bibia Obeto Festus on Odia Chedia Ebekofi. Yes, I will wall mount size Bia. Digital antennas. Any satellite accessories BRB. Decoder wall stand. And your busso our Festus Enterprise. Shisha Festus Enterprise actually quine. Ewo Achim Odan Onichu Messi and a ye animation. Festus Ewo 0244 515849 and now 0269 305785. Festus Enterprise decoders any TV papa ahimfie.
I didn't realize her. Who Mr. Q Nibu ha from me be wife. My wife do good many no. Mr. Q de say na. Take it easy. As a word for do. How can I take it easy? Ojam Nibu saw. A man saying and no krunu atoka ama woman. Nema kotoka and no gam. Afa ni pedi mechi ebe you show. Woman no ha if robana no. And ye here ni ko pe me dream Mr. Q ni bi banom. Na me hu say me your ba. Na man podi no be firewood. E tru de here. And no an say why am jo say de suo to no wa sori ko. Ojam we de no di o. Say na petra pa. Na so oba no so di kan. How? Woman we yire ewia say da pade nyina. Na say e do na de no da house firewood. powder. Unya hwio. Kunlun Ghana Limited at Aroma. Wodi Mr. Q. Abey. Adinti na wasa ochro pa ne kom no didi awome. Say what be ase? Me hu bibia. Jibi konom esa wako herba chemical and pharmacy. Dodo nso anu akọ Kunlun Ghana Limited.
Odanko LB Amoafo. The Netwumesi. Kennedy Drugstore. Well Green Pharmacy. Mama Doris was Asinfosu. Francis Mensah was Asinfosu. Frank and Doctor Pharmacy were Esekuba Odobem Brakwa. Unable to afford Kurumpe for 0504 906665 and 0545 906665.
Thank you. I like that.
FD Ashusha Sa Ejedi Nkrato Imu Aja to Muse Eye.
Ago Adeshimaima. Minkraniboni, Frimpong Enterprise, Adwumawura, what di papache, intina mani ajesano. Namini mi say, achim dani in Potamade, se upe provisions pa do matwa. Ajian kind, send up provisions do munina, any electrical gadget. Nina, our Frimpong Enterprise, Adwumawura, what di papache, achim dan Mandalina Hotel, ase pay and from Pond Enterprise say a babamba me just security sudia cameras no 24/7 ejina so unia na me be piemu ha no na ko na ba anyumani say ye tea tomatoes say ye frito say ye mo say ye biscuit say sunflower say detergent and milu milk. Oh my god na ko na ba bibi bia wo pe sanitary pads and na padlocks bibia buzu say tam from Pong Enterprise, a Gumura, when the papache, a dear be a whoop ato akogu stone. You want to do so poor, a hutra, a papa, the wonderful Mamu pe product bitches says sugar, toiletries, milk, drinks, any communion one in the kika home. Akogu shop there. Money problem cry from Pong Enterprise, drink Japono, our Mandalina Hotel, Abronsano, and a Bempa. Friend, our 0244 897 525 and a 0242 111 236 from Pond Enterprise Ebianum Kobata Fufro Ewa Achimida Edumura Yawa Achimida Mobile Total Filling Station Yani GN Bank and I want a Dambakum between called stationaries and electronic lane Aye Ben NIB Bank no a hodie soft drink beer open on Sabeka na upe provisions in home kwani bad there any ye new branch Ewa Achimida Kwantanim inside the new market building. I ben or dance secondary school. A kwan so. Which or dance school. Frimpong Enterprise. A Jumawura. What the papache?
Abina, yanitam yankwai. I was a copy drone mu. Menantika cry and my bread. I watch Yagumiso.
Mensuminti apo. My hojo. Ma posu to me. Machinka say me ya. Mentinu much chumi ankasa.
Iboye. Ah, na our father Monswane. When Chankran yebe you. Yantiapo. Na anyuye. Mendia J. Na heba for ya waya na heba mixing na fever mixing. Woman de dufuphobia bejaswa ye frano na Ibo mix. For general well-being, I don't know some area. Embassy between Jumaden. Na Ibomix no, a yema will be on to mina, and Nasan Honam Yenbre, a Tumian to you. One more can cane. What yes, you know, Crono.
Na you know, Matuya yent mini dean's way.
And no Namobe here, na herba powder. A best yes, Munipediano, and what did be back. No Driani by a mode, I'm a multi-beardy.
Na herbal powder.
Na Yibeni, and then our pharmacies, herban over the counter shops. Dudua, na herba ventures. For 0244 774 206.
FDRG Jedin Kratoyatum.
It is Aqua Back Drive, your daily dose of positive energy. You rocking you with all the hits.
Take it easy.
Why you do?
Yo, B on the beat.
Music from NigerMP3s.com.
Baby, please give me
the body. I like the way you do the body. Make me want to the gummy body. Ah, okay. Oh yeah, the popo. Baby, let me go the popo. Ah, oh yeah, the popo. Baby, let me go the popo. Oh, she go the popo. So make me go the popo. Oh yeah. Tonight. Oh tonight. Baby, let's give it tonight. I'm going crazy tonight. Oh, let me be your maga. Your maga. I want to be your maga. Your lover. Baby, please give it tonight. I'm going crazy tonight. Oh, let me be your maga. Your maga. I want to be your maga. Your lover. There is something about this your body where they make me the jolly. When I see you, my baby, hey, I just like to happy. Oh, 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 my baby. They sweet me, oh, 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 my baby. Tonight, oh yeah, the popo. Baby, baby, go the popo. Oh yeah, the popo. Baby, baby, go the popo. Okay, oh she go the popo. So let me go the popo. Oh yeah, tonight. Oh tonight, baby, please give me tonight. I'm going crazy tonight. Oh, let me be your maga. Your maga. I want to be your maga. Your lover. Baby, please give it tonight. I'm going crazy tonight. Hey, let me be your mother. Let me be your mother. I want to be your mother. Your mother.
Kunkum Africa.
Soundboys, baby, we got the girls crazy. No time for standing on the wall, we can't party. After Ghana, straight to Nigeria, it's the new dance, so now everybody on the dance floor. Oh yeah, Mukulu, Mukulu, Asonto, oh yeah, Jose, Asonto, oh yeah, Sakuma, baby, oh yeah, Somale, Asonto, oh yeah, Mukulu, Mukulu, Asonto, oh yeah, Jose, Asonto, oh yeah, Sakuma, baby, oh yeah, Somale. Tinko, I know you bad with the coco. Looking so good when you do your asonto. Drop it low, then take it slow. I wanna know if you can wine it wise. Just me and my guys can have a good time. That's demo J, I might demo. I know some bad guys. When they play after you, back it up and stop. Oh yeah, back it up and drop. Asonto, stop. Asonto, drop. Soundboys, baby, we got the girls crazy. No time for standing on the wall, we can't party. After Ghana, straight to Nigeria, it's the new dance, so now everybody on the dance floor. Oh yeah, Asonto, oh yeah, Mukulu, Asonto, oh yeah, Jose, Asonto, oh yeah, Sakuma, baby, oh yeah, Somale, Asonto, oh yeah, Mukulu, Asonto, oh yeah, Jose, Asonto, oh yeah, Sakuma, baby, oh yeah, Somale.
Rise up and down like they just wanna see you deep in crisis. Drive us off, you don't need a license. Nobody wanna see you rising. And when they do, they don't even like it. They just wanna see you deep in crisis. Drive us off, you don't need a license. All of her, she can even ride it. Go ahead, move your feet just like this. Then he showed me the latest. We walk over them haters. But what you do, man, Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto. Now watch me do my Azonto. We walk over the haters. What you do, my Azonto. We walk over the haters. What you do, my they all wanna learn how to do this. So I'ma take you right through this. Azonto dance is the movement. So when you jump on the floor, better use it. First step is a step. You can move to the right, to the left. You can even freestyle when you step. Put your hands in the air, then you rep. So go. Twist your fingers, you can wave and say hello, low. Make a fist and you can hit them with a blow. No balance, that's how you do. So let me see you go. QB taught me this. Nobody Everybody wanna see you rising, and when they do, they don't even like it. They just wanna see you deep in crisis. Drive yourself, you don't need a license. All the hush, you can even ride it. Go ahead, move your feet just like this. Then he showed me the latest. We walk over them haters. Now what you do, man? Azonto, azonto, azonto. Now watch me do my azonto, azonto, azonto. Now watch me do my azonto, azonto, azonto. Now watch me do my azonto, azonto. We walk over them haters. Now what you do, man?
Sorry, sa azonto. We the yo yo. Ain't men you go slow. Me when you not to blow. Move to the rhythm, here we go. I'll show you how to do this. So some mensa, menkasa, open cross on the south side. Move to the left and right and watch me free. Azonto. All my ladies strike a pose and capato. Drop it low and make the voice say damn. I'm so cool. We started this way. You want to say?
Let's go. Get your drinking on, put your sipping on. It's that Hennessy, oh I bet the sheet. It don't matter what you drink, you fuck up your shorty. I want you to take it one yours to say. I want you to take it one your body. I want you to take it one yours to say. I want you to take it one your body. I want you to take a piece of neck, yeah, yes, Put your drinking on, what you sipping on. It's that Hennessy, oh I bet the sheet. Don't matter what you drink, you fuck up your shorty. I want you to take it one yours to say. I want you to take it one your body.
That's right, Throwback Thursday at Zonto Fiesta. Take outside. Good evening to you guys. Vision Vocational Institute for you now 8 years short. Odu school more bieni wuha. Especially to you, Esther and Mary, Mabel, everyone. Form 2 student Nina. Form 1 for Form 2 for Yachiabuina. Mohote say our Vision Vocational Institute. Omofili show Nepal. So Esther, good evening to you. And now I'm farming call level 360 per one call. Anya dear. About your Global School of Aviation Management. What's the main country? Say star. You go so I a man for. About your person, yeah, you are wearing primo. And I saw person, you're curling agent. O person, yeah, you are tall guy. Nina no Quenya. About your hotel manager. And I say, Ebia person, your newscaster reporting general reason. About your hospitality and management. Person, yeah, you are supiti. Now also, management hobia. About your Quenya. Bombarding Sobeba Global School of Aviation. Near Moau. I do be fan to TMO. One can say yes. Why a parbon pa? Media and communication. All courses are within 6 months. For certificate, I read to Bombarding Abra. Awarded by ICM UK. I'm not more the Bema Minumi. And to say Biakura was a diploma HND or O and A level. Degree moon now bet me about about your baby, your number near Freya says here. Yeah, Ninsa also 0595 847184 and then 0245 052166 and then 0553 341679. Oh, friend, and the who be Global School of Aviation, the only life-changing institute. I just said, the Abu man for baby. Oh, so be to me, don't want him near the Abu. I just walk over him, Maybe I drive one prayer and head back clinic for 7 can't just say a part team. Actually, say a part prayer team. We are there for you. Say your dear be how will be your dear be to be your dear be you be a boss, your dear be a mobile, say yes, stroke and I say pressure, diabetes, prostate, hepatitis, and I say asthma, hernia, infertility, burning sensation, stomach ulcer, typhoid, fibro, HIV, spiritual problem. Be I have one prayer and her back. And they bet me a boy no free more. I do to Bombarding Seven Beba. Anyway, didn't say so. I walk him on down through them here. Ye near Chile. A patch of your wall. I come on down Boabu Road in this Akim State Senior High School. Junction is up. And I'll be here. Pepiasia Padu Enterprise inside the hall. I don't say, although you are nearby, but show near you every day. And you know, Reverend Dr. Ba in his house on 0554 480062. So, my maybe you are the one Casa, ya dear be tato, ya dear be how I know a tabri now, the Abania show. Yeah, you every day. About your new life, Wood Enterprise. I'm saying, can't you say, a banning me, I'm where you my dear, Omoyepa. And to say, be a wood, Yemena, maybe I'll pay wardrobe. And I say, be a open next. Uyo be a open bench, be a do Ujuma, open jarring Kunya, open trap door. Nina no Muyebi, Nina can Fiano say, be a Westy Dinas or Pesel Boswa, or the Baby Jama, betting me about Dine Swaba. And the house we a mini so made, and to say, be our Pesel ye preening, and I say, be our Pesel ye carton. I did be our Pesel ye be our. Bombarding South de Beco, New Life Wood Enterprise. Now, Omo and Yamao. About your swat, I said. say ebi apɛ furniture CB upɛ kunya ede good dem say insiesie wo dem ma upɛ kitchen cabinet ni na no ebetimi ayama enti we dey only problem cry o problem you na to atwa ado ti bomodin say sesie ya onu ombedin sa so onu ombeka branch onu ombeka bu ache say ya yama Omo bo so nyade omo anum bo da fom boko enti ni opesa ye ma no omo charge oketu e no mo ayama make say kromo ye bia sisi ho enti se ope bi ato akọ osisi a unsa be tumi aka ombe ma obi ato na unsu wa yusu omo ni akire omo wo akema abo akwasi akwa ni junction ni so ha ya dam ni so ha ya so at here baby Assemblies of God for mo somebody this year na omone Church of Christ for and your opposite ube say Church of Christ for ni o balance kwan de ba unsa binkum so ufra abo akwa unsa binkum so junction na da ho na baby no mo fili kwan na da ho na so many shehwa now no more coding so I am from 0246 41 86 84 and 0262 56 9258 and 0247 18 4375 offer New Life Wood Enterprise and Sabeka efa edua ho bibia de on be ye de ama hwato enti no mo kodin sa so sisia we are here to have a center for seven country of Saint Bruno or Matu Apete. Yede inkunimdi heba mischa edi aba ena gidi heba mischa na inkunimdi heba mischa no edamufua ebi nsida bigo ndura aba nyina yenini seso se obi was stomach ulcer pa se stomach ulcer wo so yese wo de akwa hospital doctors for say wo stomach ulcer o ma nduro ekọ na eba kopem kunimdi heba mischa na tonanom eno ano no asa Sanso na ebi our blood pressure me ba chokope bito uyo obi our menstrual problem unya nkunimdi heba mischa ebetimi abo a unya bi pa na se wono ma ho ato drasto bia mu okwa unsa betimi aka drasto bia bekomu bia se oba akam abo ha udru station ha ya bedi drasto ho bi ho sanso na akam asene rita drasto bi ho udru akemoda ochini ba chemical shop ebi wo ho sanso na natwemasi wo kwa ebi wo ho udru akem so adura ofa ya drasto ebi wo ho me pa che ofa kwan so drasto bia kosi nkokọ ekwa nyinam eba masa ekosi asamankase drasto bia bewura mu bia no wo se wo pe kwa akuasi edu asubu aduro no nkunimdi heba mixture ena gidi heba mister unsa bitumi akabe gidi heba mister eye for general well-being unya bia betimi abo wona anu bibia di wadanse enti unsu pe bia tu a na one yen adinsa so ebe ma obi atu so ate ase eduro ni ye adwuma te sem konya nkunimdi heba mister ewurade uyo obi a se yefunu yade eda wo so a wo yem eya wo yem ka wane asoa no ye de wakwa asupiti uyem ka wane asoa unumbia ebetu ase me na me ka kirew binim ne me ka ya so ahwe ne ehu se eye entipe bi na to unim de heba me is good oto abotro no ehu ye green ni ti ni ye green anumbi ebebo apa baako eye 15 cedis we de mayi amafo 20 omba na watu mo aboka ya tumu ameka akire baako ye 15 cedis nti ukoto a now the 15 cedis akọ yankwa ya duro ni etimi bone price e wo radio so ebi nsi da Oh my God. Abusiafo ene e Thursday. Na edu Thursday say ya. Na ya the Mr. President Edebrewo. Your manifesto. Enra Ghana for nyina yenya 67 years. Ti Nana Ghana. Is ya Ghana about currently your friend Nana Ghana. Enra Nana Ghana. Enya 67. Enye fedi agro. Na ene ye bisa se in case ebia yesi be president ne na fa o manifesto bra kan semba ako a beto Ghana fa koma so na ya to abama na ye de na Ghana wadi 67 years e de ahye won sa se hwe oman ni so na bu oman na epa acho anka manifesto ben enanka o de beba ene wonso ye ma kwanya na wonso do de aba anka wonso pa anka manifesto ben pa nanka o de beba ka o se anka de pen pa nanka o be ye ama Ghana ye best ene ko ma ana mawu me ba
ofe no
Ediana de ekoma ekoma na me de me a wa hu anka oze Ghana ye wa asase pa
yeah
ye wa asase pa free ha ekoka safi from safi ekoka bie from bie ekozi awonwi nzema from zema eba besi a friend saying Cape Coast to her from Cape Coast ekoka asinfosu ofa asinfosu oboase efa oboase na woninam asase a Ghana ewoda ho no yensi dan si so yensi dan enye asase ketwa eba Eastern region ha eko north na ye de akọ your friends voter region sa biani na asase eda ho no enti me dia anka minister ba kompen anka meyi yes
one minister
yes I be hia me pa amani be di nachi na anka regional ministers na hu hia me nyi regional minister bia hu hia
okay
because ye wo DC wo ho MP so wo ho ene executives so amoya den e ka ho aha inti anka regional minister bia hu hia ama me say petro o me say petro bia ma ye da bi o ma me say petro mi nyi regional minister bia ma ne me say diesel ne petro o me je ka amoso
do one minister no be den
minister no finance minister de me because kasem de on na be hwe so na emu no oba be ye agric minister
ba akopɛ no
yes
okay
na ono na se no obenye deputy ministers be 5 because omo ba be hwe am agric akoso
ofan na senya one minister na obeyi no
so no be main minister ba ko na deputies na doso what you say na omo ba be ye agric ye ba be domfuo adua mo adua me adua nnuane what you say ama Ghana aduane aba ha nti anya afei na ye kwa akokra mo afiri ba bi aba emo no wo ha ya because ye won sase what you say unim ne ema ya dollar ekosoro na aduane bo aheden eya saa emo na ya ye kra no ene anwa what you say nti emena ye dua no se ukọ kwai ha anwa omo ye free ho no enya anwa ketua o mo ya anwa efiri o sanya nwo omo di bi omo nwo no omo di bi ko diva other countries no Nigeria you know omo di bi ko
na yes anso ti ha kra
yes kwai de no omo oil no em say na yes royal oil say hwan
GOPDC
no medase masa enwo mo ehwie ne oya mo hwie wo ha no enye fadi agro na nti ye bedua me wati ase ko se hwi ansase wo ho ye bedua me ne yankasa ya ye oya ni bi wo ha yes nti enye afina ye kokra oil every baby aba say ye kra cooking oil every baby aba me boy den nti emo wo ha cooking oil wo ha ena Ghana ha so ye san so etu lubricant fuel ene ne keka wonti ya nkase be ne ma wo ha ama Ghana wa to no ana enya adwempa
ofa ya adwempa
me da ase
Listen up now, the way that you want.
enti mba cha wonso me maka me de wonso de ne sei se ne ene de ama Ghana ede ma o yesi manifesto ba ko ka se ba ko ma ne to Ghana ba ko ma so ne ento abama wa wonso de ne sei 02019444850554820910 mo va se anga wonso de ne sei
of answer last week on
yes
na me kan policy bi ho asem ba me say na ti for na ntimasi
ai
simpese me ntwiro mu kre
ebe o kan sem fun policy ya fun jine ente
of I sure I say any wiase na ye wo no
yes
ni papa so oti na ye oti o
mo
ai ni ono pese oti na ye oti
okay
ene ni ono pese ogidie no ene no ogidi aha ti wa fa na me kai yi ho asem me say sa eye kuntan na me hu video bi ahu
yes
nurse ni mi na wawu na nurse ni na wawu no
yes
efun mu gina ho ana o ma hye ne nurse atare ana wa se super glue no de a chene na so se den yo ana o gina no okwabranu onwu ye maami onu wu ye e wo mu da empa ni mu
yes
na nurse ni no mo de nurse ni fu
na
gina
na se frefro ma me fa man for course ni mi wi am ba de ne so me ba join can drive udi ni ba bi a ka se free a chance for mo want to say a chance for you na ma te say mo bi agum o mu tie ni wu ha ye tie say
atasumpa jama mambo ya bona baso pa aba wa sopra ya ye die dia no owo ni si factory bia abani eli o hinfa ne rebepa
okay
aba ye bia o ha no se si azu ye sa so adomu
okay
mo ye doi afra se ye doi ewia bre ye doi amuni ne ku machine so atofo ni ma amanfo de integrator ko bi from no furu ha no mo de ba se e ho no machine no mo di sinefe enti esete mama fusi o mesi sa machine bi mai o ye area
okay
na ya mo si ayefe ama tofo no so tumi ato ye sre na
okay
omomwaye
we dey chama ma for the personal aid kwadwo kranten bigidi se wutie twroto krata so sa a chance for mo akoma so ade ba ko ne se on be ba besi emo machine ni bia ya de be so mo ho me ba giant can drive.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. We didn't baby our cast every.
Moya Bozige.
Also, yes, the gay.
The Kiakuti, the very motion, Mokokumi.
You tell Quadjokumi for.
Now, it's a damn book.
Yeah, me can not tell you. So tell you.
Maybe I president and as a manifesto.
Aha.
Yanka, can't draw my name as a meeting here and say, I don't swear, Oduma say, Aquati Road, you know. Megunina, Sukota, Ediama, Namagai or Dane, I tell to Diana, Yagun Kota, I have to be a possible.
Okay.
Bejai.
Yeah, that's it.
And I Yaguhan Kota, Diamond, why the Pana said,
Mo. Hey, I said, oh. 02019444850554820910. Mauli mitio.
Nti ofana me guso America say.
Yes.
Na obi onu momu awu no. Onu gina ho na obi onwu ye momu dampem sebe. Adan wo huru wanim kosoro. Anza hu hia na sike ose okwabrande de to book man ba kan no. no de akota yi asentoma Sunday yakwa asori aba obeda age wa home na Monday wanya energy fresh de akwa adwuma no asa akotena yi ase take away obinya dinti
me ba giant can drive we didn't baby our Casefree super niana yetio Dabi
Sentia na on money din no osuro oya president asine boso obetimi ade policy we no be initiate ni ya on free back no money din
na bra nya asem anke ni me ba giant can drive we didn't baby our Casefree ebenti afo yetie mo
moto ababa na mbe ma mpemia ifri atofo ase ekofum banka do kusuko taze tamamoto we no na anu atie no mabeti university college o atmament ya because o tima wo ho
okay
enti ibenye tike fro no mo ye peye no
enti abo di anka okuru nkwa na anka obe develop
o me se ho improve se de abamfo mpelifo bi ba yo mkro yi no da me mkro yi ansa my fofro
me dasi oh mo say a road minister wakwa kogu ni kurum kwanso ohun adwenye woni patrim
sa on say
into anya mistake o me ba giant can drive we didn't baby our Casefree
mabaduba osofo femenas
medio
amaduba me de me mpa ka megba ni se mababa yeso da ban mu
okay
be yeso da ban de se de wo si mfuo yi na afi nka bani adi amaduba nim se afa se aban se da chegoko ebi di kogu mu ma ne se
ajumbo ni nti
afi egusu cha be ebi de nim se begu ha sei ami de fa kan ri da fon o se o mo bi sika so on ko ye emu o so madam mo be kekes man da duba o se la show be man ko fa ko he ne ge 1.5 acre mo ji se hu sika na di free etu ku adwuma no min so ka me fa pa I said the ministers not being the minister me sa
okay
legit dia me ministers 5 na ya patrick adwuma no me mo mi soja enu ni de me man 24 na is straight na wo a obeye adwuma na obey no love no man be do be na ka me fa won che okla so me hu sa na de here soja ban si
okay
me de no
me dasi Esther Norte osi good evening it is saying Anna Cynthia Obo osi good evening me so me dasi me ba giant can drive hello udini baby our Casefree yetio ose wusu anomase for ya me ya aduma kwasi ada king of grace asori me ba be ya asori o mitio eba John ne wasuru betimi apejam kakra
eba cho se me benya o mu president ya me make sure say ebusia bia no na semu ni pa ba ko abaye pani wo man sani o man no ekoyi a ya ka se nyame nko ana ye say nso a ya ka se nyame nko ana say no
mo nkyere busua preko ni mu ye
o se busua bia ndi asono busua adua na busua
ko no ebi say no ebi enkan e ka bi nso
okay
because ebi nya bi dinti no wo ka on fa what mukra nya asem
okay yes we dasi o say good evening bra kwaku o say ni din di Mohammed o hwe live e wo Medina Zongo Junction o say oda asini adwuma pa ye na emo menchi akese enkoma Hawa Mohammed sanso na ne sister sister Hassana ono nso e wa Akema Poli ningo ene na bushie nyina ye dasi me ba giant can drive udini baby our Casefree o say Steve o yetio Yeah.
Ane ha me pa te Kenya zenja ha me pa. Ne bwanka mutwa wan mame. Gana kwenya so. Ene photo bema ka ko binya botsa. Azenje.
Yo, yeah, that's it. But my friend so kakra because I offer Accra Kumasi highways in this one. Mobo a kind of total fears will be service will be to maybe I can drive.
Hello.
Hi, I can drive. We didn't baby our casa free. Yeah, bro, say. You too.
The president. Atene Bangalore. Akoponsa phone ni na you ma firo.
Well, baby, I can't drive.
We are both again.
We didn't baby our casa free. You too, Nana.
Yo. So me say I am the president here. Me make sure say Ghana import no e be free.
Okay.
Na e say yen natural resources are here no. Gold, timber, diamond, oil, lithium, then no. Me make sure say you be na into finishing products e wo men yimu. Na abanana for na pa.